Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to export video in DaVinci Resolve 18 with subtitles. First of all, right-click here and then click on Add Subtitles track. After that, click on Subtitle Queue and select the position where you want to add them. Now, click on Create Caption and write anything you want. And under the Caption menu, if you click on Add New, this will create a new subtitle layer. So at this moment, I have 2 of these subtitles. Now, if you want to export them, simply go to File at the top of your screen. Here, look for the Export option and then click on Subtitle. After that, a new pop-up will appear. Inside this pop-up, you can name the subtitles and also can choose the files. Here you have different options like subtitle files without formatting SRT, and many more. You can use all these file formats for different purposes. Now, choose whatever you need and click on Save. After that, look for the location where you saved your subtitles. And you can see that the subtitles have been saved successfully. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.